வணக்கம் மாணவர்களே. Today we are going to discuss about the electric field. We know that we are continuously discussing 12th standard physics, the unit 1 electrostatics. We are continuously discussing about that. Today we are going to discuss about electric field. There is a concept, electric field. We are going to see electric field. So, what is the electric field? How this concept has developed? So, we know that there are two charges. We know there are two charges. This is the one charge and this is one charge. So, what happens according to the Coulomb's law? There is a force is created between these two charges. According to the Coulomb's law, we already discussed. So, how does the interaction itself occur? எப்படி இந்த ரெண்டு சார்ஜஸ்க்கு இடையில் இன்ட்ராக்ஷன் ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகுது, இன்ட்ராக்ஷன் டெவலப் ஆகுது. சரியா? இப்போ we know that there is a one charge is kept here, this is the one charge q1, it is kept here. So, I am going to bring another one charge q to this particular place. So, what happened? There is a force is experienced by this charge. இந்த சார்ஜ் மேலே என்ன நடக்குது? There is a force is experienced due to this charge q1. So, this is what called as a action at a distance. இந்த அதாவது ஏற்கனவே ஒரு சார்ஜ் இருக்கு, அந்த சார்ஜ் இடத்துக்கு பக்கத்தில் I am bringing another one charge nearby it. There is a force is acting on this q2. There is a force is developed on this q2. So, we already discussed there is what F21 vector. This may be the repulsive or attractive. This may be the repulsive or attractive. இது ரெண்டும் என்ன பண்ணலாம்? repulsive force இருக்கலாம், இல்லைன்னா attractive force ஆகவும் இருக்கலாம். How does it happen? So, this is called action at a distance. அப்போ ஏற்கனவே ஒரு சார்ஜ் இருக்க இடத்துல if I am bringing another one charge, there is a force is acted on this charge q2, so that there is a repulsive or attractive force is taken place. This particular thing, this is what called as a action at a distance. So, this is what called as a action at distance, action at a distance. So action at a distance. Okay, how does the second charge is know? The second charge know about the existence. How does the second charge is know about the existence of the first charge? So, ஏற்கனவே இங்கே ஒரு சார்ஜ் இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறத எப்படி வந்து செகண்ட் சார்ஜ் தெரிஞ்சுக்குது, ரெண்டாவது சார்ஜுக்கு எப்படி தெரியுது? ஸோ இதை சொல்கிறதுக்காக the Michael Faraday has created the new concept, that is what concept of field. அப்போ the action at distance அப்படிங்கிற இந்த கான்செப்ட் என்னது? ஏற்கனவே ஒரு சார்ஜ் இருக்குது, I am bringing another one charge, there is a force is created under this second charge, it may be the repulsive or attractive. So, this particular thing is called as a action at distance. So, to explain this particular interaction between the two charges, he has created the new concept, that is what called as a concept of field. Who has developed this particular concept? Michael Faraday. Michael Faraday developed and introduced a new concept is called concept of field. So, what he said is, so according to the Faraday என்ன சொன்னார் அப்படின்னா, so whatever the charge is available in the universe, each and every charge creates an electric field in the surrounding space. So, we know there are so many charges available in the universe. You consider each and every charge, you consider this is one charge, this charge creates the electric field around it. This charge is created the electric field around it. You take another one charge q2, this will create this electric field surrounding it. So, like that each and every charges, it is created electric field around this particular charge. The surrounding space is created, there is a electric field is created by this kind of charges. this kind of charges. And another way we can say that there is a electrical environment created by this particular charges. Electrical environment, அதாவது இந்த சுற்றி என்னத்தை கிரியேட் பண்ணுது அப்படின்னா ஒரு எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் என்வரான்மெண்ட்டை கிரியேட் பண்ணுது. அந்த எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் என்வரான்மெண்ட்டுக்கு பேர் தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்கிறோம், எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃபீல்டு அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். சரி, if there is another charge is brought into its field, இன்னொரு சார்ஜை இந்த இடத்துக்கு கொண்டு வரும். இங்கே Q1 இருக்குது, I am going to bring a charge that is what Q0. Q0 அப்படிங்கிற சார்ஜை I am bringing it to the electric field. எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃபீல்டுக்குள்ளே நான் கொண்டு வரேன். அப்போ என்ன நடக்கும், there is a interaction is taken place on the Q0. There is a interaction is taken place on the Q0. There is this Q0 will experience as the force. அப்போ இந்த Q0 என்ன பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா ஒரு ஃபோர்ஸை எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் பண்ணுது. There is a force is experienced on this Q0 by this Q1. Suppose if you bring it the Q0 to this particular field, inside the field of Q2, so here also you are going to experience, actually Q0 going to experience as the force. அப்போ இந்த இடத்துல கிரியேட் ஆகக்கூடிய ஃபோர்ஸ் I can call it as F. இங்கே Q0 இருக்கா, அப்போ நான் என்ன வச்சுக்கலாம்னா Q0 1 actually 0 இல்லை இதை வந்து O1 வச்சுக்கலாம். இப்போ QO1 இந்த இடத்துல என்ன இருக்க போகுது, FO2, because the force is acting on QO by Q1. The same way the force is experienced on QO by Q2. So that FO1 and FO2, the kind of charge is created here. There is a charge, there is a force is created here in this particular place. This is look like there is a gravitational force. We have discussed about the discussed in the 11th standard syllabus itself. Gravitational field ரெண்டுமே almost similar. சரியா? Okay. இப்போ I am going to consider a point charge. I am going to consider the point charge Q. Consider point charge Q. Consider point charge Q located at a point in a space. Located at point in space. So I can consider this is the point charge. So இந்த இடத்துல locate பண்ணியிருக்கேன். அப்போ இதை சுற்றி என்ன இருக்கும், there is a electrical environment is created. This electrical environment is called electric field. So when I am bringing, this is the charge Q, I am going to bring another charge Q0 inside this field. This Q0 is called test charge. This Q0 is called test charge. So there is a test charge I am bringing inside this field. So this is the point P, this is the point O, you can call it as point O. So the distance between this Q and Q0 is the rendu kadayila irukkudiya distance I can consider R. I can consider R. So there is a force, there is a electrostatic force experienced by the Q0 is the electrostatic force, the electrostatic force experienced, the electrostatic force experienced by the charge Q0 due to Q is given by எந்த law சொல்லுது, is given by Coulomb's law, is given by Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law. Okay. So now we can write this particular according to the Coulomb's law. We can write F vector is equal to we know K is the electrostatic force constant and there is a Q0 are the charges and the distance of separation is R squared and the force is created. So what is the force is created on this particular Q0? We can consider this is what the force is acting this particular place, this is what F vector. So position vector is always from Q to, actually the unit vector which is always acting from Q to Q0. So this is what the unit vector R cap. unit vector r cap. So, the direction of the force is decided by the this unit vector. So, we can mention F vector is equal to r cap. Here the proportionality constant k is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, we known well. So, we know that there is a charge q creates an electric field in the surrounding space within which its effect can be felt by the charge. The effect is felt by another charge. We know that there is this is what the electric field, inside I am bringing it the another one charge, there is a force is experienced by the q naught. So, this particular point, the how much amount of the field I can able to find it out, I can able to find it out. Okay. The charge q creates an electric field in the surrounding space within which its effect can be felt by this charge q naught, it is measured, this quantity, this electric field is measured this particular point, this quantity is called as electric field intensity or electric field, the force experienced by the charge at the particular point, the force experienced at that particular point is called the electric field or electric field intensity. அப்போ ரெண்டுமே நம்ம சொல்லலாம். ஒரு சார்ஜை நம்ம ஒரு 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 ஏற்கனவே இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு சார்ஜுக்குள்ளே ஒரு டெஸ்ட் சார்ஜை இல்லை ஏதோ ஒரு சார்ஜை கொண்டு வந்தோம்னா அந்த பர்டிகுலர் டெஸ்ட் சார்ஜ் மேலே ஒரு ஃபோர்ஸ் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் பண்ணுது. அப்போ நம்ம அந்த பர்டிகுலர் எந்த இடத்துல அந்த டெஸ்ட் சார்ஜை வச்சுருக்கோமோ அந்த பர்டிகுலர் பாயிண்டில் என்ன எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃபீல்டு, அது எவ்வளோ ஃபோர்ஸை எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் பண்ணுதோ அதை தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா we are calling it as a electric field or electric field intensity ன்னு சொல்கிறோம். இதை எப்படி டினோட் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா E அப்படின்னு டினோட் பண்ணலாம். E வெக்டார் E அப்படின்னு நம்மளால் டினோட் பண்ண முடியும். Now we go for the definition of the electric field. Define electric field. So, we know there is a charge q, this is a test charge q naught, this is at a point p, this is at a point p, this is at point o, the distance from the test charge is r, there is a unit vector r cap, so there is a force is acting in this particular test charges. We know that F vector, this is what we had discussed. So, now we are going for the definition of the electric field. We can define this particular thing. How can we define? You consider this q naught is a unit charge, So, whatever the force acting on this unit charge, whatever the force which is acting on this unit charge due to q is called the electric field at this particular point, So, now I am going to write this, then you can able to understand better. So, the electric field at the point P, the electric field at a point P, the electric field at a point P at a distance r, from the point charge, q is defined as the electric field at a point, in the point la the electric field at a point P at a distance r from the point charge q, இந்த q ல இருந்து r distance ல இருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த particular point ல electric field என்ன அப்படின்னா, the electric field is defined as the force that would be experienced by the force that would be experienced by, the force that would be experienced by a unit positive charge, a unit positive charge, placed at that point P. ஸோ ரொம்ப சிம்பிளாக நம்ம அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கணும்னா இது என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா, இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு யூனிட் பாசிட்டிவ் சார்ஜ் வச்சுருக்கேன். அப்போ இந்த சார்ஜினால் இந்த இடத்துல எவ்வளோ ஃபோர்ஸை அந்த யூனிட் பாசிட்டிவ் சார்ஜ் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் பண்ணுதோ அதுதான் என்ன அப்படின்னா இந்த இடத்துல எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃபீல்டு. அப்போ ஃபோர்ஸ் இந்த டைரெக்ஷனில் ஆக்ட் பண்ணுதுன்னா, ஸோ நம்ம என்ன சொல்லலாம், இந்த இடத்துல the electric field also acting in this direction. Electric field also acting in this direction when this q naught is positive and q is also the test charge. We are always taking positive test charge, mostly we are taking positive only, so that whenever this is positive, this charge is positive, this is going to be acting away, which is going away from this point, it is going away, which is going to act in this direction. Suppose you take this is the minus, this charge is negative, so the force is acting in this direction. Actually the electric field is acting in this direction. So how can we write the electric field? So E vector is equal to F vector by Q naught. So you can write K Q naught R squared into R cap divided by Q naught. You can cancel this. Q naught. Okay, you can cancel this Q naught, and you are going to get K Q by R squared into R cap. This is what the electric field you are going to get. Okay, the unit for this, the R cap is the unit vector. R cap is the unit vector. R cap is unit vector. Okay, so now we go for the SI unit of electric field. SI unit. What is the SI unit? E. என்ன இருக்குங்க? There is a electric field E. This is the Newton, this is the Coulomb. So Newton per Coulomb. That is what the SI unit is NC minus 1. SI unit is NC, Newton per Coulomb. So this is what the SI unit of the electric field. Whenever they are asking the define electric field, if asked define electric field, you please write this particular paragraph alone. You can write this particular paragraph, you will get 2 marks. The electric field at a point P at a distance r from the point charge Q is defined as the force that would be experienced by the unit positive charge placed at that point P. So you will get the 2 marks, and sometimes they will ask what is the unit of the electric field. So then you can write this particular formula unit Newton per Coulomb. I hope so you would have understand better. So I will see to that in the next class, in the next concept. Thank you very much. Bye.